All right, so I am working on a 2015 GMC Yukon XL, and on vacation, this rod here, this lift arm, broke. See, it's actually separated right here. Anyway, so I've been doing a little bit of YouTube, and there's a couple videos out there just kind of walking through after the fact, but I wanted to put together something that's, during the as I'm going through it. So hope this may help some folks. So right now I've started taking this panel off, and all I did was take one of these little interior panel pry bars you can get at any parts house. I started just removing it, and you can access it right here. You don't have to take the panel all the way off. It's all right here, and so I'm about to unhook it, and should be as easy as just pulling it out right here. Hold on one second. Listen, pull out. There's a grommet, or not a grommet, but a little wire holder right there that you need to pop the wire out of. It should just slide on out. So one thing I didn't realize was this piece comes with it. I guess that would help to open up what I'm about to put on before I started. Anyway, so that went right there, and to get it out, you just have to, pry these little ends in. There's some little teeth right here, and it'll pop right on out. So I'm about to put it back in. Slide that over there. It's not working right with you. Okay. All right. Clip on this end here. I've already got the other one hanging. It comes with the little clips already in it, right there. And let's see if she works. Cool. There you have it. Nothing to it. Took, 5 minutes. Hope this helps somebody.